नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मराठी दुनिया चॅनलवर मी गैविनंद घोगे आपलं सहर्ष स्वागत करीत आहे। कृपया चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा, व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा आणि नवनवीन अपडेटसाठी बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करणे विसरू नका। धन्यवाद।
स्टँडर्ड 2 सब्जेक्ट मॅथ ॲडिशन विदाउट कॅरी ओव्हर, ॲडिशन ऑफ सिंगल डिजिट नंबर या पाठामध्ये आपण सिंगल डिजिट नंबरचं ॲडिशन बघणार आहोत। चला तर काही उदाहरणांनी सुरुवात करूया। लेट वी टेक सम एक्झाम्पल्स। 5 + 3, देयर आर 5 and 3 are units, so we write them in unit place. This type 5 + 3, 5 and 3, these are units, so when we adding them we get 5 + 3 means 8. Let me take another example. 6 + 2, here it is 6 and 2, both numbers are units and we write them in unit place in this way. 6 + 2, when we adding them 6 and 2 we get 8. Now next example, 5 + 4, here it is 5 and 4 numbers are units, we write them in unit place in this type. 5 + 4, on adding them we get 9. Next example, 4 + 4, 4 and 4, these are units and we write them in unit place. 4 + 4, we get 8. Another example we take, 3 + 6, here it is 3 and 6, both numbers are units, so we write them in unit place in this type. 3 + 6, when we adding 3 + 6 we get 9. Addition of 2 digit numbers. आता आपण 2 digit numbers ॲडिशन बघणार आहोत। एक्झाम्पल घेऊया। 24 + 13, 24 and 13 are 2 digit numbers. In these numbers 2 and 4 digit and in 13 1 and 3 2 digit. 4 is unit place and 2 numbers is tens place, so we write them tens and units place. 24 means 2 tens and 4 units, we write them in this type. And 13 means 1 tens and 3 units. Now on adding them we get 3 tens and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 units. When we add 2 units and when we add 2 tens and 4 units in 1 tens and 3 units, we get 3 tens and 7 units. This is the first method, and another method we can solve this problem in this type. Tens and units. 2 tens and 4 units means 24 plus 1 10 and 3 units. 4 and 3, these numbers are unit place. When we adding them we get 7. 2 and 1, these numbers are tens place. When we adding them we get 3. And 24 plus 13 is equal to 37. 2 tens and 4 units plus 1 tens and 3 units is equal to, look at these numbers, 4 and 3 are units. When we adding 4 and 3 we get 7 units. And 2 and 1, these numbers are tens place. When we adding them we get 3 tens. In this type 24 plus 13 we get 37. या 3 प्रकारे आपण अशा पद्धतीचे ॲडिंग करू शकतो। हे ॲडिशन करण्याच्या 3 पद्धती तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी दिसत आहेत। जी सोपी वाटत असेल त्या पद्धतीने आपण ॲडिशन करू शकतो। नेक्स्ट उदाहरण आपण बघूया। 110, 210, 310 and 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. 3 tens and 4 unit plus 1 10 and 1 unit, 2 unit. We can write 1 2 3 3 tens and 1 2 3 4 4 units plus 1 10 and 1 and 2 2 units. 3 tens and 4 unit plus 1 tens and 2 units is equal to 4 and 2. These numbers are unit place and we adding them we get 6 units. In this way we get 6 units, and 3 and 1 these numbers are tens place. When we adding them we get 4 tens. 34 plus 12 means 46. We take another example. Look at this example. 1 10, 2 10, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. 2 10 and 4 unit plus 1 10, 2 10, 1 unit, 2 unit. Look at this example. 2 tens and 4 units plus 2 tens and 2 units. We write them in words. 2 tens and 4 units plus 2 tens and 2 units, and the answer is 4 and 2. These numbers are unit place. When we adding them we get 6 units. 2 and 2 these are, when we adding them we get 4 tens. 24 plus 22 is equal to 46. Carry out the following additions. खालील उदाहरण सोडवा. Example number 1. T for tens and U for unit. 110 2 unit plus 110 3 unit. 2 and 3 units we get 5 units. 1 and 1 tens we get 2 tens. Let me take another example. T for tens and U for units. 110 5 unit plus 110 5 unit means 15 plus 110 2 units means 12. 15 plus 12. 5 and 2 these numbers are unit place. When we adding them we get 7 unit. 1 and 1 are tens place, and when we adding them we get 2. 15 plus 12 is equal to 27. T for 10, U for units. 2 10 4 unit plus 5. 24 plus 5. 4 and 5 these numbers are unit place. When we adding them we get 9. 2 numbers is tens place, and when we add 2 plus 0 we get 2. Next example. T for tens and U for unit. 110 6 unit means 16 plus 210 3 units means 23. 16 plus 23. 6 and 3 numbers are unit place. When we adding them we get 9. 1 and 2 numbers are in tens place. When we adding them we get 3. 16 plus 23 is equal to 39. Next example. T for tens and U for unit. 3 tens 7 units plus 2. 7 and 2 numbers are in unit place. When we adding 7 and 2 we get 9. 3 tens and we get 3 tens. 37 plus 2 is equal to 39. Write T for tens and U for units and carry out the additions. we take some examples. T for tens and U for unit. 110 5 unit plus 210 1 unit is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, and 1 and 2 we get 3. 15 plus 21 is equal to 36. T for tens, U for unit. 110 2 unit plus 310 5 units. 2 and 5, these numbers are unit place. When we adding them, we get 7, and 1 and 3 is tens place. When we adding them, we get 4. 12 plus 35 is equal to 47. T for tens and U for unit. 110 and 7 unit plus 210 and 2 units is equal to 7 and 2 get 9, and 1 and 2 tens, when we adding them, we get 3 tens. 17 plus 22 is equal to 39. T for tens, U for unit. 3 tens, 3 unit plus 1 10 6 units. When we add 3 and 6, we get 9. 3 and 1, we get 4. 33 plus 16 is equal to 49. Now we take another example. T for tens and U for unit. 110 7 unit plus 3 tens 2 units. 7 and 2 numbers in unit place. When we adding them, we get 9. 1 and 3, these numbers are tens place. When we adding them, we get 4. 17 plus 32 is equal to 49. T for tens and U for units. 2 tens and 3 units plus 3 tens and 6 units. 3 and 6 makes 9, and 2 and 3 makes 5. T for tens, U for units. 5 tens and 2 units plus 2 tens and 0 units. 2 and 0, these are units place numbers. So when we adding them, 2 and 0 is we get 2, and 5 and 2, these numbers are tens place. When we adding them, we get 7. 52 plus 20 is equal to 72. We get another example. We take another example. T for tens, U for units. 110 8 units plus 3 tens 0 units. 8 and 0, these numbers are unit place. When we adding 8 and 0, we get 8, and 1 and 3, these numbers are tens place. When we adding them, we get 4. 18 plus 30 is equal to 48. T for tens and U for units. 4 tens and 4 units plus 1 10 and 4 units. 4 and 4, these numbers are unit place. When we adding them, we get 8. 4 and 1, these numbers are tens place. When we adding them, we get 5. 44 plus 14 is equal to 58. Now we take another example. T for tens and U for unit. 61 means 6 tens and 1 unit plus 2 tens and 4 units. 61 plus 24, 1 and 4, these numbers are unit place. When we adding them, we get 5, and 6 and 2, these numbers are tens place. When we adding them, we get 8. 61 plus 24 means 85. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला बेरीज कशी करायची ही या पाठामध्ये समजून सांगितलेली आहे। आता यासारखेच अनेक उदाहरणं तुम्ही स्वतः बॉक्स नोटबुक मध्ये सोडवायचे आहेत आणि तुमच्या टीचरला दाखवायचे आहेत।